Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So we have successfully implemented one-to-one mapping in Hibernate, but what actually happened behind the scene? I mean, in database. So let's take a quick look. So we have this password table. If I select rows, we have this. So let's fetch this out and put this on paint. That's our password table. Same thing we will do for person table. This is the code, sorry, the entry inside person table. So passport table is here and person table is here on right side. Okay, if you took a look, see like closely here, you will see that in person class we just ask for ID, name, and the table which was supposed to be here, but it creates a relationship here. So we saw multiple alter commands. So what actually happened? By default, Hibernate uses two constraints or two different keys here. The first one, which you can see ID, and that we already know what is that. This is primary key. Let me call this primary key. And the second one here, the passport key. It's actually a foreign key here. So from which class this foreign key is coming? From the class passport. This class ID or primary key is used as a foreign key in person class. So that's how Hibernate tries to map these two classes. In case in future if you want to fetch passport detail from person, so you can refer this ID one which has mapped here and you can fetch person's name is Ram and the country is India. So that's how it converts your Java classes into table. So let's take a look on classes. So person class was this. Let's close this and passport class is here. So you can take a quick look and clearly it's visible that we are explicitly asking that we have a two tables passport class which has to be mapped in person class. So Hibernate maps it properly by creating primary keys and foreign keys. So that's the end of one-to-one mapping. In next video we will talk about next mapping, that is one-to-many. So stay tuned guys. Still there's a question or doubt, feel free to drop your questions in comment section. I'll definitely reply there. So let's meet in the next video. Bye.